Welcome to this edition of CPWN. I'm Clarence Ponsler. You're going to see a selfie video taken from my cell phone of this cloudy conditions as we were in the late afternoon, heading into early evening. Take a look. Let's take a look at this selfie camera on this overcast day, and I did it just in the nick of time, right before sunset, but it's still relatively light out, and you can see on the left edge it's much blurrier, and we can still see some of these reflections. Let's take a tour, a 180-degree tour across the apartment complex. See, the lights have come on, so it might be a bit reflective, but the most important part is when we don't see any lights reflecting on this camera. So what does that tell you? This was part of the experiment with my selfie camera that has that cracked screen since late December. I just want to show you what these images look like in these types of conditions. Well, that's going to conclude this edition of CPWN. Clarence Ponsler saying, have a nice day or evening if it's nighttime. Goodbye.